Hi everyone, hope you are doing well. Today our topic is what are the different types of bolt and what are the usage and how to identify. This video is just for the beginners, not for the experienced people, because we are discussing only a few important items commonly using bolts. Very first is the stud bolt. You can see that washers and the nut is inserting from both side. Is a hex or machine bolt. One portion already fixed, the head already fixed with the bolt. Here the washer and the nut will put from other end. Here, as you can see that the countersunk. The shape is a taper position, so it can be inserted in the same in the taper position. And here the washer and nut will put from the bottom. So fourth one is anchor bolts. This we will discuss later. Okay, now we can take a look for the applications of the bolts. First, stud bolt. Stud bolt, usually we are using the area which is required for the frequent maintenance. For example, flange connections. If you need to remove some valves or something else, it will be easier if we are using the stud bolts because it can be removed from any directions. Second, for the hex bolt. This we are using only for the initial installation purpose. For example, we need to install one structure. It is no need to remove frequently. Once it is installed, it's lifelong, it will be installed in the same condition. This kind of applications, we are choosing the hex bolts. Other one is countersunk bolts. This commonly we are using if, for example, we have to use some roller, need to roll over the structure parts. Then if you are using the stud or machine bolts, it will be stuck. So this kind of applications, or else we need to use one more structure parts. One is above these parts. Then also we can choose for the countersunk bolts. For this kind of special kind of applications, we are using the countersunk bolts. Next one is anchor bolts. Anchor bolts commonly using to fix on the concrete. First you can take a look for the expansional type. As you can see, this is in the tapered position. Once it is this portion is pulling out, it will be expand and it will lock with the concrete. There are many types of anchor bolts. This video just only describes some common types. A plate with a nut, it will be spot weld this area. This portion will fix on the concrete. This concrete will cast prior to after the putting the bolts. Here is this J type, split type. Also, we are using the anchor bolts for the pocket type applications. This kind of usage we are commonly using for the pump or compressor, those kind of rotating equipments installation. That time we are using the pocket type. This is on the concrete pocket. We are inserting the bolt. Later we will place the equipment. Then we will do the grouting inside. For this application, only for the pump and other rotating equipments. These are commonly using for the structure and other static equipments as well. Okay, now we can take a look for the identification of the bolts. What are the basic things need to be considered? Very first, size. Size means the diameter of the bolt. Either it is stud or machine, whatever, but we are considering the diameter of the bolt. Basically, this manufacturing in two types. Is an inch and in metric, in mm. Inch means is a 5 by 8, half inch, one quarter, half inch, one inch, etc. And in metric size, M2, M4, M6, M8. But this both is the dimension of the diameter. Either it is inch or in mm. Second parameter is a TPI. TPI means thread per inch. Consider this is a scale, this is a 1 inch. In 1-inch designs, how many thread we can count? For example, here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That means TPI 6 means in 1-inch designs we have 6 threads. So this other identification. Third is material grade. There are a lot of types of grades, different types of grades, but we are just mentioned only for some common. For example, 4.8, 5.8, 307, 325, this all carbon steel. This sometimes having with a hot dip galvanized HDG or without galvanization. Also alloy steel 8.8, 10.9. This is the strength of the bolt. For example, 800 psi may be the strength of 8.8. 10,000 psi is 10.9, etc. That means the strength. This is alloy steel. This may be also having with HDG, hot dip galvanized or electrolyte type galvanized whatsoever, without galvanization also. Is A1, A2, A3, A4. These are the stainless steel. For an example, I am going to purchase a bolt size of M tall, the length of 240 and 8.8 HDG, hot dip galvanized and stud bolt with 8 TPI with 4 nut and double washer. This is the specification I am going to order a bolt. So I will get size M tall with the 240 mm length and 8.8 HDG material grade with a stud bolt, full the stud bolt with 8 thread per inch and 4 nut, 1, 2, 3, 4 nut and double washer. So I will get the exact item. I hope this video is useful for you. So please don't forget like, share and subscribe. Thank you.